This will be a fast unboxing of Marvel Collector Core for December, and it was Guardians of the Galaxy this month. I actually heard a lot of negative things about this box. I guess there was some picture spoiler posted online, but I never saw it, so this will all be a surprise to me. Let's open. Alright, and as usual we have the Marvel Collector Core patch. It's neat. And the Collector Core pin. We have a comic. Guardians of the Galaxy. Guardians of Infinity. Oh wow, this is cool. It's actually a scarf. The Guardians of the Galaxy scarf. And you have all the little characters and the Marvel logo at one end. And that's what that side looks like. But then when you flip to the other side, you have Groot imprinted on the other side. That is really, really nice. I like that item. A scarf is something I don't think I've gotten in any subscription box of any kind. Very good choice and good for wintertime. Next item is Groot and Rocket bobbleheads. Looks like my box got a little punched in on the top there. Yeah, they folded it on the inside of the box. It's a bummer, but those are neat figures. And then there's one last item, and it is a Star-Lord Pop ceramic mug. Funko's been coming out with a bunch of different mugs and salt and pepper shakers and other home type items lately, so that's a Collector Core exclusive. And this was everything in the box. We got our patch, pin, Star-Lord mug. We got Rocket and Groot bobbleheads. We got our Guardians of the Galaxy scarf and Guardians of Infinity comic. Thanks for watching.